Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create this stunning PowerPoint presentation design. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's jump into the video. Right-click on the empty slide. Click on the Format Background option. Select Picture or Texture Fill in the background settings. Browse any image from your PC. Now insert a new triangle from the Shapes menu. Draw it in the bottom right corner, as shown in the video. Adjust the size accordingly. By pressing the Ctrl and D buttons together, duplicate the triangle. Rotate it 180 degrees. Place it in the top left corner. Do not overlap with the previous shape. Keep a small gap between both shapes. Duplicate the same triangle again. Rotate it 90 degrees. Cover the left side corner with the triangle, as shown in the video. Now, insert the same image we added previously. Cover the 3 triangles with the image. Right-click on the image and select Center Back. Select the image along with one triangle. Merge both by using the Intersect option in the Format menu. Insert the same image once again. Cover the 3 rectangles as in the previous step. Then, send it to the back. Select another triangle along with the image. Merge both by using the Intersect option. Follow the same steps for the final triangle as well. Next, right-click on the background image. Go to the Format Background menu again. Select the checkbox called Tile Picture as Texture. Select the 3 triangles. Apply the inner shadow effect in the Format Picture settings. Increase the blur size slightly. Insert a new text box. Type a heading. Change the font family and font size. Choose different colors for each word. Place it in the center of the slide. Then, send it to the back. Add a subheading and description on the right side of the slide. Duplicate the first slide. Drag all elements outside the canvas, except for the main heading on the first slide. In the second slide, drag the main heading outside the canvas. Finally, select both slides. Apply the Morph transition. This output will surprise your audience.